Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to click on Settings and tap on Connected Devices over here. Then click on Pair New Device and just wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the chosen one and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Pair over here and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose gear icon next to the device, the small one. Then click on Forget over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one again, just pair new device, click on it, and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!